Mama Circus here. Today we are going to clean house, and I am going to bring you guys along with me because I have not made a cleaning video in quite some time, okay? And I just need something to kind of like, I don't know, boost up my spirits, and it seems when I make cleaning videos, they really do help me to feel better. I don't know, they just get me moving and more motivated. Anyways, let's come along with me, get some cleaning done, and hopefully I can give you guys some motivation while I'm trying to motivate myself in the midst of all of this. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm just gonna give you some quick cleaning motivation. I'm just trying to speed clean and get as much as I can done in as little bit of as time. Here I am just racing around my kitchen, trying to get all the leftovers put away, everything tidied and picked up. And right now, that is a little hard because I haven't at this point done my spring cleaning. So all the cabinets are just like full of crap. Everything feels like it's falling out. Yeah, I cannot wait to get to my spring cleaning. And that will be a future video coming up. So keep your eyes out for that one. And of course, here I have Fred, my handy dandy little robot vacuum, and my Dyson. These are two of my cleaning essentials I could not live without. I will link them down below in the description box if you so want to purchase one. And if you do, I would receive a commission because that would be an affiliate link, but it would be at no extra cost to you, and it would really, really help support me and my channel. I don't know if it's just the weather or it's me cutting back on buying junk food at the grocery store, but I have been craving homemade sweets lately, you guys. I feel like almost every day or every other day I'm making something new or a different recipe, but my older daughter said she absolutely loves it. She said she loves coming home to home-cooked meals and a little tasty treat as well. So yeah, I've been trying to keep that up because I feel like it really does help us avoid eating out as much, and I'm not reaching for as many processed snacks. Not saying that the other things are any better, but you know, I feel like, I don't know, my mom always said homemade was better, so I'm just gonna stick with that, okay? But yeah, if you have any good recipes that are quick, easy, and delicious, drop them down below. Whether it's dinner or dessert, I am always looking for new ideas, and lately I feel like I am stuck in such a rut. So yeah, if you could just help a mama out, I would love, love, love that. Thank you in advance. Well, would you look at that? Everything looks so much better already, you guys. I mean, just a quick speed clean really can make a difference. I used to put off cleaning certain things because I thought like if I didn't have a lot of time, it wouldn't matter anyways. But no, it really does matter. Sometimes me and my kids, we will take about 15-20 minutes and do what we call a power clean, where we all just tackle something else. And it is amazing the amount of things we get done. And then I can actually sit down and relax, knowing that, you know, my house is at least tidied up. It doesn't have to be spick and span, but I just cannot sit around in a filthy big mess. Now my bathroom I usually breeze through because I have quite a good organizational system in place. Yes, I do need to do my spring cleaning because it is getting kind of messy, but just having a designated spot for everything makes cleaning my bathroom so quick and so easy. I mean, the main things that take the most work are cleaning the bathtub and I'd say the toilet. Everything else usually is pretty quick here at my home, just like I said, because I have a good organizational system in place. When I go to film my spring clean video, I will show you guys that system and then maybe you can adopt it for your own cleaning routine as well. With a family of 6, laundry sure piles up quickly. So I have developed a system that seems to work for me in my busy life. Lately, we have been just so busy. I just switch laundry out as I can and I make a big pile and I call it the laundry mountain. And then once it gets so big, me and my girls will put on a good TV show and then we'll just tackle it all together. And that really, really works well. I mean, I don't want that to be my forever plan, but right now with our busy lives and busy schedules, it's what works. And that's the thing about cleaning. Sometimes things will change and the way you do things will change based on your circumstances in life. See, I don't have time every single day to fold laundry, but I do have time to at least take 5 minutes to quickly switch out the loads. So there it is, okay? We let laundry mountain get nice and big and then we fold it. But at least everything is consistently being cleaned. I hate leaving stuff in the hamper and then like a wet towel gets put on top of one of my kids' good shirts of my children's and then it just gets all ruined. You know about that. So I'm just trying to avoid things like that. And even if it has to stay in laundry mountain for a few days, that is a-okay with me. All that matters is teamwork gets it done, okay? We have been doing a lot of teamwork over here with our busy lives, and I thank God for that. If you are new here, my name is Ashley. I am 36 years old. I am a mother to 5 beautiful children, one of which is in heaven. I love to share all things motherhood, cooking, cleaning, and more than just that, because to me, motherhood is so much more than just recipes and cleaning hacks. So I tend to share it all over here. So if you don't mind that, come along and join in. That is why I refer to myself as Mama Circus, because I feel like my life is a literal circus. There is always something going on. It's always crazy, hectic, busy, but that's okay. I prefer it that way. I like to juggle many things at once. I feel like it just sets a fire beneath me and gets me going. I don't know if anybody else works like that, but I've always worked best under pressure, one of those last minute gals, okay? And then plus on top of it, I am always late to everything, which is something I am working on. I'm also working on being more organized and yada, 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 healthy, everything that we're all trying to do here in 2024. But yeah, so if that sounds like your jam, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would love to have you and I would love to keep you, okay? And by the way, if you have any cleaning things that you do with your family, little hacks or things like my laundry mountain per se, drop it down in the comments, because it might be something that I would actually like to adapt myself to my own cleaning routine. I would appreciate it. All right, you guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. I hope this gave you some good cleaning motivation. Be sure to check out my other videos, as I have a whole playlist full of cleaning fun just for you. And also be sure to check down below in the description, as I will link all of my favorite products there just for you, so you can go quickly to them and purchase them if you would like. Until next time, guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye.